Have you ever come across an error message such as this, and this? Or even this, or this? And you'll be like, oh, what is happening? Oh my God, my boss is on me. What should I do? You need not worry, my friend, because after showing you how to get rid of these errors, you'll be more comfortable working on your spreadsheet. So let's get started. Okay, first things first. The diff error is a problem associated with division. So whenever you see the diff error, it means there is a problem associated with a particular division you have made. And as the name implies, div divide by zero. It means whatever it is you are dividing, it is by zero or an empty cell. Now take for example, if I click on this, when you look at the formula bar here, it says C7 divided by D7. Let me click on it. This is C7. This very particular cell you see, 987. It is dividing by D7, which is this. That is 987 divided by 0. That is simply why it returns an error message. So whenever you see the div divide by 0, it simply means there is a particular value that is dividing by 0, which resulted to an error message that you have seen here. So how do you solve such kind of problem? You can solve this kind of problem by correcting the denominator of the particular values you are dividing. And rationally, you know that 987 cannot divide by 0. So that simply means there is a particular error from this very particular cell. Either you input the correct value, which is 1, and hit enter, and then the error will just automatically disappear. Or if it is an empty cell just like this, you input the value that is supposed to be on that very particular cell. Let's say here we are supposed to have 1000. When you input it, the error goes away. But if for some reason 0 is what is actually supposed to be in this very particular cell, then you can use the if error function to make this very particular error goes away. So this is what you do. You introduce the if error function to this very particular formula. Now when we navigate to the formula bar here, we can now add if error, and this is the function. You double click on it. So the argument says the value, which is exactly what we have specified. That is the formula that is already in our cell. Then you press the comma sign. Then if error, that is if this very particular value is an error, then it should return something. And this is what we want it to return. Let's say a text of not visible, not divisible. Close your quotation, close your parentheses, and then hit enter. So I think your data will become better this way. If you are happy with the content of this very particular playlist and the content of this very particular channel, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this very particular channel so that you get to be notified anytime we release subsequent new engaging and entertaining and educative videos. Now share the video for it to go viral so others will benefit from this very particular action of sharing that you have taken, and I will see you some other times.